Hello YouTube, welcome to Woods Creek Workshop. My name is Yuchel. Today is gonna be an awesome day for me and for you because we're gonna give away some stuff. Thanks to all of you, I managed to surpass the 1,000 subscriber mark. In fact, we're on our way to 1,200 subscribers, and it's all because of you. Your comments, your likes, and YouTube uses all those information and uses this algorithm and makes my videos more visible. So I wanted to say big thank you to all of you. What better way to say thank you than to give away free stuff, right? So let's take a look at what we're going to give away this time. We're giving away so many stuff. I had to make notes here to make sure that I don't forget something. There are 9 prizes total, and I'll show you how you can enter the drawing in the later part of this video. But first, let's take a look at the prizes. First item comes to us from Boring Research out of Oregon. They make numerous cool products for machinists, but today they graciously donated, let me get it out of the carton here, their mag pen. What it is there are magnets inside, and you use this to pick up metal chips, and you pull this and the chips fall off, so you can get to tight spaces and clean up your metal chips and make it a lot easier. Now, Adam Booth on A-Bomb 79 demonstrated this in one of his videos. I'll put a link to his video in the description. But, James at Boring Research just went, out of his way to send me this to give away and share with you. He also included a very nice note congratulating the 1,000 mark, and I really appreciate it. So, prize, one of you will get that, and Boring Research sticker. So, I'd like to say thanks to James for his generosity. Next prize comes to us from Randy Richard in the shop. I'm sure all of you know Randy. He has a fantastic YouTube channel. And he makes numerous tools that he sells on his channel, but one of them is this brass carbide scribe. It has engraved R in the shop with USA. He makes these in his shop and he sells them. They're very nice. There are numerous YouTubers that have these and use them, and I have one too for myself, and they're just incredible. So Randy donated this for my channel to give away. So next prize, the winner will get the scribe and a sticker. And Randy didn't stop there. He sent us one of his t-shirts for his channel as well. This one is size large. So another winner will get to take home this shirt, and I'll include one of his channel stickers as well. We're not done yet with Randy. He sent a bunch of these medallions that he engraves for RR in the shop, Randy Richard in the shop. I'll include a better picture and put it somewhere here. So there are 4 of these. So 4 winners will take away these medallions and his stickers as well. So there's going to be a lot of winners.
How you doing, everybody? Randy Richard in the shop.
I would like to congratulate Yuchel on his channel reaching the 1,000 subscriber mark. He's just a fantastic guy and just funny as heck. Ha ha ha. Be sure to continue to support his channel. Tell your mother, your father, your wife, and all your relatives to watch his videos, and just show him lots of love, because I sure love that Yuchel guy.
And thanks again for watching, you guys. And please subscribe.
Next 2 prizes will come from my channel, Woods Creek Workshop. One will be the Woods Creek Workshop t-shirt, and I will include the sticker as well. And another one will be Woods Creek Workshop coffee mug. Now, I placed an order for these and paid extra for expedited shipping, but unfortunately they're not here yet as I'm recording this video. So there will be two winners. One will get the t-shirt and the sticker, and another will get the coffee mug and the sticker. Now let's cover the rules, okay? There aren't a lot of rules, but there are a couple of things that you need to do. Now, I'm going to post this video, probably today is the 13th, Friday the 13th. I'll post this today, and I'm going to leave it up, and by Christmas night, so it'll be Christmas midnight Pacific time here in the USA, you must comment on this video. You don't have to, but it'd be really nice if you give me some feedback and tell me what you like about the channel and what kind of things you like to see more of on this channel in the future as well. So make a comment, and you know, while you're there, hit that thumbs up button, by the way, too. So you have to comment by the night of Christmas Day here. And what we'll do is shortly after Christmas, I'll use the random selection website, and we'll take all of the commenters of this video and randomly pick those 9 winners. And I will send these out to you no matter where you are in the world, as long as it is legal for me to send it to you. So I'll cover the shipping. As a way of saying thank you for being part of my channel and watching my videos. That's it. There aren't a whole lot of rules, and I just want to again take this opportunity to say thank you for joining me on YouTube. I really enjoy messing around in the shop and you know, filming and sharing with you what I do in here. Sometimes it's dumb stuff and sometimes a little more complicated, but you know, regardless, I enjoy doing it, and I hope you enjoy it as well. So I really appreciate it. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me thumbs up, comment on this video by midnight Christmas night, 25th, and I wish you the best. All right? Thank you.